everything begins with choosing the wood. This piece has already lived one life, and now we'll give it another. Every journey begins with an outline. The saw carefully reveals the future shape, removing everything unnecessary. The very first step toward transformation. Now comes the longest stage. A rough shape, the slow dance between steel and wood begins. Chip after chip. We're searching for the soul of this spoon. Can you hear that sound? That's the wood telling its story. The first rough cuts only hint at the final silhouette. It's a conversation with the material, an attempt to truly listen. There is something magical about watching a simple block of wood become something alive. New today, we'll walk this path together in silence and quiet contemplation, a journey from an ordinary piece of wood to a work of art. Together, we'll create a spoon that holds the warmth of human hands and the sparkle of tiny stars. Now comes the most meditative stage, the final carving. The knife glides gently along the grain, removing only what's unnecessary, chip after chip. The form becomes clearer. Every sound, every crisp whisper of the blade is the music of something new being born. There is no place for haste here, only attention to every detail. The form has been found. The knife moves smoothly, erasing every mark left by the chisel, softening every transition. The graceful curve of the handle emerges. The bowl reveals its depth. Every cut is a gentle touch, bringing the form closer to perfection. We remove every rough edge, every trace of the tools. The surface becomes smooth as silk, ready to reveal its true beauty. Now we prepare the settings for the future stones. Small recesses that will soon be filled with light. It's time to add a unique pattern. The carving tool draws an ornament across the handle, making this spoon truly one of a kind. A tiny detail carrying a remarkable story. To reveal the unique beauty of the grain, we add depth. The wood stain slowly penetrates the fibers, enriching the wood with warmth, character, and elegance. It allows the timber to tell its own story through color and texture. Look, see how every line comes alive. Now, a chemical patina. Like the breath of time itself, it gently touches the wood, leaving behind the quiet beauty of age and wisdom. And now, the magic begins. Tiny sparks of light find their home within the handle, Every crystal shines, like a drop of morning dew upon a fresh leaf. The darkness of the wood meets the light of stone. These small details transform a simple object into a treasure. The final touch, warm beeswax. It protects the wood while giving it a living, velvety warmth beneath your fingertips. The spoon is complete. It is more than an object. It is a story told by wood, by fire, and by light. Thank you for walking this journey with me. Until next time.